Tired of payment headaches and ready to unlock seamless transactions on your Wix website? In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to connect Authorize to your Wix store, step by step, so you can start accepting payments securely and easily. First, log into your Wix account and navigate to your site's dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll find a menu. Click on Settings. Scroll down until you find Accept Payments and click on it. This will take you to the Payment Method Settings page. You'll likely see Wix Payments as the default option, but we want Authorize. Click on See More Payment Options. Now you'll see a list of available third-party payment providers. Find Authorize in the list and click Connect. This opens a panel where you'll need to enter your Authorize API login ID and transaction key. You can find these in your Authorize account. Log into your Authorize account. Usually, the API login ID is visible in the account settings. The transaction key might require you to request a new one. Be sure to follow Authorize instructions carefully. Back in Wix, carefully paste your API login ID and transaction key into the corresponding fields. Ensure you select the payment methods you want to accept, like credit cards. Finally, click Save Changes and that's it. Your Wix store is now connected to Authorize. Your customers can now pay securely through your website directly via Authorize. You're now ready to process online payments like a pro. Be sure to test a transaction to confirm everything's working perfectly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.